In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store language on Payhip. If you want your Payhip store to display in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go in your Payhip account so you can update the language setting with confidence. To begin, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and account settings. Once you're logged in and looking at the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one store. From the dashboard, look for the account option. Click on account to open the account related menu. This section is where Payhip keeps the personal and store level settings that control how your account functions. So if you ever need to make general changes in the future, this is a useful area to remember. After that, click on settings. This will take you into the settings page where you can customize different parts of your store and account experience. Since we're changing the store language, this is the section you'll need anytime you want to review or update language preferences later on. Once you're on the settings page, find the current language field. You should see the language that's currently selected for your store. Click the downward arrow next to that language. This opens the drop-down menu and shows you the list of available language options. If you don't see it right away, just scan the page carefully, because the language setting is usually grouped with other general store preferences. Now, simply select your new language from the list. As soon as you choose the language you want, Payhip will apply that setting for your store interface based on the available options in the platform. Make sure you click the correct language, especially if several options look similar. And that's it. You've successfully changed your store language on Payhip. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want your store to better match your audience or your own preferred working language. If you're following along, it's a good idea to quickly review the store afterward and confirm everything looks the way you expect. That way, you can be sure the new language has been applied correctly. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to change store language on Payhip.